What's the meaning of clang? Clang. Clang.
Clang. Clang. Clang can have a few different meanings depending on the context. As a verb, it means to make a sharp ringing sound, like a bell or cymbal. As a noun, it can refer to that sound itself or be used as a derogatory term for an unpleasant, loud noise. In the world of programming, clang is also the name of a popular compiler front-end for the C, C++, and Objective-C programming languages, known for its high performance and diagnostic capabilities. Overall, clang is a versatile word with various meanings in different contexts.